We are pleased to show you the 2019 Audi E-TRON. The Audi E-TRON is an electronic crossover that's just the right size for all your driving needs. Loaded with interior technology features, the E-TRON will remind you that you're in a cutting-edge vehicle and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.